Okay, so we're going to look at operating with fractions, which people find quite odd, I think because fractions work differently to ordinary numbers. And when we look at operating with fractions, we're dealing either with multiplication, division, addition or subtraction. So in this first video we're going to look at multiplication and division. The multiplication of fractions is fairly straightforward, because if you look at your two fractions, we multiply straight across the top. In this case 3 times 4 is 12. Straight across the bottom, 4 times 5 is 20. And if possible, we would then simplify or reduce that fraction down to its simplest terms. So this time I've divided the top by 4 and the bottom by 4 to give me 3/5. Okay, so fairly straightforward. If you're starting off with a mixed number here, then you would always convert your mixed number to a fraction first. Okay, so if we take a look at division, and then we use, or I use, KFC, which is keep, flip, change. There are other ways of remembering this, but this seems a very straightforward one. And what that stands for is to keep the first fraction as it is, so that 3/4 stays exactly the same. Flip the second fraction on its head, so top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. And change the operator in the middle to its opposite, and the opposite of divide is multiply. And what that's done is put us back to just multiplying a fraction with another one. And so we would say 3 5s are 15, 4 4s are 16, and looking at 15/16, it cannot be reduced or simplified, and so we would leave it at that.